Hi there, welcome to another video of cloth making, and now we'll do the detailing on the t-shirt. Okay, so if you remember in the last section we just do the add the multi-resolution modifier and did not subdivide it. Now we'll do the subdivided for same number which we would do it in band. For me, I did it in force subdivision. You can see I will do the same thing over here also. If you do it 3 or 2 or 5, I don't know, maybe you just can do the same thing over here in the chart. Okay, so we'll go to sculpting mode and click the draw brush and also click the X-axis mirror. So yeah, it will be better. So it will increase the power a bit around 0.26. Let's let's scale it down like this one. And for you, the strength can be different because of scaling of the object. If the scale, if the object is small, then your power will be less. If your scale object is big, you can take the strength power too high. So it's depend on you. Okay, remember it. So yeah, over here we'll do the folds. Over here, some basic folds. We'll do it, and here just do the basic folds, not too detailed. Basic folds we'll do it like this type of way. We'll just decrease the power a bit around 0.23. Let's increase the brush size, smooth it a little bit. Yeah, let's see. And smooth it the outside to make it more accuracy. Give the way like this. I'm just doing Ctrl Z, smoothing out, and doing this thing. Not that much, not that much. Yeah, like this way, not that much. Okay, and smooth it out the outside of the area. Um, okay, just do this thing. Not that much. Here also, and smooth this thing. Okay, so yeah, kind of this thing on of the x-axis mirror and going to look more. I'll count the strength with this to make more over here to make it some randomization over here like this way, so it will be much more realistic. So we did this thing. Now uh, I want to do one other thing. Plastic brush and area plane. Check the area plane and go to x-axis mode. And I want to do this thing. It will be good result and complete this thing. Yeah, like this way. We'll do it, and I want to do this one this side also. Little bit hard to do it over here because of the less vertices number, but we can do it because we take it multi-resolution modifier a bit for subdivision. That's right. Yeah, this way I just did it. Um, yeah, I think in opposite side. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, it's fine. For the t-shirt, we'll put it this way, and we'll quickly go to the shirt, men's shirt, and we would like to adjust the shirt also. Go to sculpting and go to G and make the size this way and adjust the collar a bit. I would like to adjust it. Maybe I would like to have a one subdivision more. I think it's pretty much low poly. I think that's why. But if you're making a for mobile game, I think VR project or let's say game project for the mobile, I think poly count is fine enough. Yeah, fine enough. But for PC, you can take it another level or two more level of subdivision. So I'm just taking it for another level of subdivision for now. Um, I think it's looking great. Yeah, it's looking great. I noticed one thing. I want to I just go and on the cage. I want to go in edge mode and select this one. You select this way to here, extrude and E and Y. Push it like this way. Yeah, I think yes. So click on this. Go to vertex mode, and move it this way. Like move it like this way. So yeah, kind of this way. So here we do it. I think it's fine. Maybe we'll just no, it's okay, fine. It's fine. But here I click this one to move it from here. Control and click. We'll go to the downside of this. And here E and Y and push it like this one. Okay. Um, select this one all the way. Go to wireframe mode Z, and you can go to wireframe mode and press C and scroll. You can adjust it and just middle mouse click and deselect this one and right click to uh, deselect this. Um, and I think we'll off the x-axis and E to extrude scale it this way. Okay, well, just select this one and press F to fill and select this one, F to fill. Okay, so now go over here and also turn the x-axis here for now. Okay, also we need to make a button also, which I forget to make it, but button I will make it the detail one, like uh, in sculpting or the detailing part. I will make it in sculpting. So yeah, so I will go and take it 16 vertices for now here. uh, why is that? Oh, it's too big. We'll scale it down like this way. Go to object mode. Where is our, take it to upper this area, and E to extrude and Z to down, F to fill it up, I to insert like this, and select this one and go just extrude a bit, E and Z, scale it like this way, not that much, little bit, yeah, and F to grid fill. Yeah, fine, it's fine. Auto smooth, yeah, fine. It will be the button. Button is looking big, but we can scale it anytime, so don't worry about it. So let me first complete the micro detailing stuff over here. Let's see the this one. Click the uncheck this one and go to wireframe mode and see the vertices number. And I think it's okay. I think yeah, it's fine for the PC version, not the mobile version. If you're making for mobile game or anything, it's not. I think it's a little bit much, but yeah, it's okay for mobile also. Maybe you have to optimize a bit on your brain project, but it's okay. So for now, we just click it and apply all the modifier and go over here and press this x-axis mirror off and adjust a bit on the t-shirt, just a bit, not too much. um, like this way, that's fine. Go to object mode again and select this one. Let's do the mm, okay, also in the pocket, one the pocket come out of it, not that much, but it's okay. Yeah, fine. So for now we'll go to here and add modifier, uh, generate modifier, and add a multi-resolution modifier. I will subdivide it for 4 times and also save your file. All the time save your file. Go to sculpting mode, x-axis mirror, and scale it down. Go to your draw brush and strength little bit up like this. Draw the thing. It's taking a bit time. No, here, like this way. No, yeah, it's too much. You have to smooth it out also. Or to put our strength a little bit down like that. And yeah, it's fine now. And from here, do this thing. From here, back area also a bit. Uh, don't do it too much. Around like this. So I think it's fine. Maybe yeah, fine. And of the x-axis mirror, and here the pocket area will do the same thing what we have done in the pant area, like this type of things. So yeah, and here I want it's fine. Yeah, fine. Here a bit, okay, fine. Also in the hand area, turn on the x-axis mirror over here. We need to do something over here. Okay, and here we'll make the brush down, strength bit up, let's say 0.3 now, and we'll make the folds of the hand, make it a bit stronger on the folds of the t-shirt. Okay, so like this way, make it the folds down like this way. Okay, here a bit. Okay, kind of this way. We'll make it. We'll make a click on the draw sharp and also stroke. Check the stabilize stroke. Okay, so just do this thing. draw this circle around it, the folds, so make it more prominent. Yeah, something that's too much. Okay, fine. That's looking good. I think so. And also in the pocket, you need to save your file, go here, and also Control A and rotation scale your pocket. So go to generate and multi-resolution modifier, subdivide it for 4 times. Yeah, we'll take it the draw shape. Do a small thing over here like this, and go to draw. Um, and here we'll make the strength more or less around 0.5. Okay. Okay, so yeah, this is complete. Oh, also the button will do it also. Let's go to add modifier. Also, we just want to do the UV unwrapping the marking thing. Control E and marking over here. Control E and marking over here also. From here, just Control E and marking over here and select all U and unwrap, and it's going to unwrap properly. See, when you hear it, it's unwrapped properly. So go to layout again, and here you just click it and make sure your pivot point in middle of this object. So we will do the spectacle also. Over here, we'll come over here and go in the tool menu, and also we'll turn on the X and Y axis. Now you see these points over here, and we go to symmetry, and in the Z axis we just put it 30, number 30. Okay, you see now the magic things like this, and which is oh yeah, multi-resolution modifying it to add, yeah, and 4, that's nothing. 4, and yeah, we can do this thing. So kind of, yeah, looking great. And let's go again in the tool and make it 32 1 again. So now it's the 4 point because we turn on X and Y axis. So just uh, go to ball brush and make it circle down like this way. That's fine. Take it the draw brush and just make the strength a bit high. And yeah, I think it's fine. Maybe it's one side is fine for now. I think yeah, fine. It's fine. It's gonna be so small, not that visible that much. So yeah, we just complete the micro detailing stuff over here. Next section we're gonna do uh, adjust the UV properly and bake the normal map and make it the color ID I think. And yeah, that's then we'll go for texturing, the exciting part. Yeah, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, bye bye. Thank you.